You're watching How Leap. Let's add widgets to your Mac desktop. First, ensure you are running macOS Sonoma or later. Right-click on any empty space on your desktop. From the menu that appears, select Edit Widgets. A widget gallery will appear at the bottom of your screen. Browse through the available widgets from apps like Calendar, Weather, Stocks, or Notes. You can also use the search bar to find specific widgets. Click on a widget to select it, then choose a size if options are available. Drag the widget from the gallery directly to your preferred spot on the desktop. Release it to place it. You can add multiple widgets and arrange them freely. To customize a widget, right-click on it on your desktop and select Edit Widget. This may allow you to change settings like the city for a weather widget. To remove a widget, right-click on it and select Remove Widget. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.